Coventry, 11th century, life harsh under feudalism. Godiva, noblewoman, wife of tyrannical Lord Leofric. Leofric imposed heavy taxes, causing poverty and hunger. Godiva pleaded for compassion, but husband scornfully rejected. Cruel joke, ride naked through city as tax reduction offer. Godiva, virtuous, accepted the challenge for her people. Residents asked to stay indoors for her privacy. Morning sun, golden hair covering, rode horse through city. Coventry silent in awe, respecting her sacrifice. Exception, snooping Tom, blinded for his voyeurism. Leofric realized mistake, reduced taxes for the people. Godiva, immortal symbol of courage and sacrifice. Story engraved in the memory of history. Her love stronger than shame or insult. People's hope and joy restored through her bravery. A tale of nobility enduring time.